So my wife has been kind enough to buy me a helicopter, Lego helicopter for Christmas, which I have motorized and altered in some ways. So I've installed the receivers and the engines, and I use a variable speed remote control, so you can spin the rotors at changing velocity. I've also motorized the winch. This is nice with the changing velocity. You can make it go quickly and then slower as you come back up. I also motorized the back hatch. And with this remote type, you can operate all the functions simultaneously. So it could be mid-air and then lowering the winch. So I thank my wife for this beautiful present. Thank you.